All right, so clear let's clear some of these things. Okay, so now we've understood why you cannot use aliases that were declared in the select statement in your where clause. All right, so that is fully understood, I believe. Now let's just do one more view. Remember, we had these challenges, right? So let me just call back the subtotal plus the shipping fee as the total payments, okay, from others. So let's see that. And what's the issue? Okay, don't have a comma here. All right, so now we have this, okay? We've seen that the where clause cannot work, right? If we put in the alias. So we have to say where the subtotal plus the shipping fee is, let's say, greater than 100,000. Okay. And we have this. So if we use the alias in the where clause, we know it's going to give us an error. Now, let me add an order by. Let's say I want to order this by let's say in descending order, right? I want to see the highest total payment. So let's copy these, okay, and say in descending order. All right, let's see what happens. So we have these, right? We have 150,000, or yes, that's the largest here. But you see, I don't have to do this in the order by. I can use this total payments here. And let's see, will this work? And it worked. So you see, the alias worked in the order by clause, but it did not work in the where statement. Now, why did this happen? Because of the order of execution. Recall, this is the order by. This is where the order by happens. So the database runs the order by as one of the last things, which is going to be after the select. So at this point, the order by understands that that column total payment exists because it runs after the select column. Okay, the where or other filtering methods, where or having, comes in before select, and so it does not recognize any new column or any alias that has been called in the select statements. Okay, but the order by and the limits exists after the select. So whatever new column you introduced in your select statement, the order by would recognize that. Okay, so that is why we have this total payment that was declared or initiated by the select statement could be understood in the order by clause, but it cannot be understood in the where statement. Okay, all right, so hope that is very understandable. So this is practically almost everything you need to understand about order of execution. These are the major locations where issues abound and confusion exists. Okay, so but with this, I believe that that is going to be a walk in the park when you're trying to understand the order of execution and how query runs, even though you have a different way of writing it. Okay, all right.